That's the power of one of these asteroids. 10,000 Hiroshima bombs is the power packed by this piece of real estate.
It began like any other observation of the night sky. In October 2017, astronomers detected something unprecedented, a mysterious object passing through our solar system at incredible speed. They named it Oumuamua, a Hawaiian word meaning scout or messenger. But what set this visitor apart was its bizarre nature, its elongated shape, its inexplicable trajectory, and most intriguingly, its complete defiance of what we thought we knew about interstellar objects. Since its mysterious arrival, Oumuamua has defied every expectation, igniting fierce scientific debate, bold hypotheses, and chilling speculation. Was it merely a shard of some ancient, shattered world flung across the stars? Or something far more unnerving? Was it a constructed object, a silent messenger engineered by an unknown intelligence? Its speed, its trajectory, its shape, none of it fits the natural mold. And the more we study it, the more one haunting question remains. Was Oumuamua watching us all along? For years, we were left with questions and no solid answers. But now, thanks to the revolutionary James Webb Space Telescope, we finally have a clearer picture. Webb's unprecedented ability to analyze the universe in the infrared spectrum has delivered the first real image of this enigmatic traveler. What it revealed has shaken the scientific community to its core. When Webb's powerful lens captured Oumuamua, it confirmed suspicions that had only been speculated upon before. Unlike anything seen before, Oumuamua is an elongated cigar-like structure with an asymmetrical, uneven surface marked by grooves and craters. It looks like a relic that has been battered by eons of cosmic travel through the harsh environment of interstellar space. But even more fascinating than its shape is its composition. Webb detected complex organic compounds on its surface, along with elements that are not commonly found in our solar system. This suggests that Oumuamua was born in a star system vastly different from our own. One of the biggest mysteries surrounding Oumuamua was its strange behavior. Unlike comets, it had no visible tail or outgassing, yet unlike asteroids, its acceleration away from the Sun couldn't be explained by gravity alone. Webb's analysis ruled out traditional outgassing as the cause, leaving scientists with a mind-bending possibility. Could Oumuamua's movement be powered by something we've only dreamed of, like a light sail, a hypothetical technology capable of using sunlight to propel a spacecraft? But that's not all. The materials on Oumuamua's surface hold even more clues. Scientists detected metallic minerals and traces of reflective materials, making the object far brighter than it should be. They also found signs of organic molecules, ingredients that could form the building blocks of life. Could Oumuamua be a messenger of interstellar panspermia, carrying the seeds of life across the galaxy? One tantalizing theory suggests that Oumuamua might be a fragment of a planet, torn apart by the intense gravitational forces of a black hole. If true, it would make this object a survivor of a cosmic catastrophe, carrying with it the history of a lost world. But here's the most mind-blowing possibility yet. What if Oumuamua is not a natural object at all? Some researchers have speculated that its unique shape and behavior could indicate an artificial origin. Could this be our first encounter with extraterrestrial technology, a calling card from an advanced civilization meant to awaken our curiosity? This discovery raises profound questions about the universe and our place within it. Could interstellar objects like Oumuamua be more than just cosmic debris? Could they be storytellers, carrying the history of their origins across the vastness of space? Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we're on the brink of answering some of these questions. But each answer leads to even greater mysteries. What other secrets are hiding in the darkness of space, waiting to be uncovered? As humanity stands at the edge of an era of interstellar exploration, Oumuamua serves as a powerful reminder of how much we have yet to learn. Projects like Breakthrough Starshot are already laying the groundwork for missions that could intercept and study future interstellar visitors, helping us unlock the mysteries of our galaxy. In the end, Oumuamua isn't just a curious object passing through our solar system. It's a symbol of our endless quest for knowledge and our insatiable curiosity about the universe. It challenges us to think beyond our limits and to dream of what might be out there. What do you think Oumuamua is really telling us? Could it be a messenger from a distant civilization or something even more extraordinary? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more cosmic discoveries. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep looking up, because the universe is full of wonders waiting to be found.